Do you know the top 5 factors that will drive state-level activity through the 2030s depression?
Most companies do not, and that creates risk.
Because when you are deciding where to expand, where to hire, where to allocate sales resources, or where to deploy capital, state-level conditions can change the outcome.
Some states may offer long-term opportunity, and others may carry more risk than leaders realize.
In this webinar, we will walk you through the state-level factors that matter most and show you how ITR State Opportunity Index ranks the strongest and weakest opportunities across the country.
You will leave with a clear understanding of where to invest, where to be cautious, and how to avoid costly decisions before the 2030s depression arrives.
This is not about guessing which states will win.
It's about using data to make better decisions while you still have time to act.
Click the link and watch the full webinar.
Join us for the live session on June 17th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern.
Or attend the June 25th rebroadcast, which happens to be my birthday. Both sessions include live Q&A.
When you register, you'll also receive the full recording,
plus a copy of the slide deck to reference afterward.
Register now using the link in the description below.